We're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our company's staff works hard to go the extra mile, so these positive reviews are very motivating. What a great review! We're always thrilled to hear about a happy customer's experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every client. It's great to receive positive feedback since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. So if you're looking for a company that has the best customer service backed by years of extensive knowledge and experience, then we're the right fit for you. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can call us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.